Hi everyone, this is Maddie Toops again, and now I'm going to show you how to use Google Docs. So when you get started, you're going to just start at your home screen, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go down and I'm going to click on Google Chrome. So once I get to Google Chrome, just like you start a Hangout, you are going to actually type in plus.google.com. From here on this page, you can see a whole bunch of things, but if you go right over here and click down on this apps menu, you can go down and click Drive. So when you get to this page, you'll notice a couple different things. I already have some documents in my Google Drive, and they're actually from a while ago, but it's kept them in there all this time. And you can see on the side, shared with me, and that might be documents given to me by other people, starred, recent documents, and then any trash. Right here, the Create button, if you drop that down, you can create a folder, you can create a document, a presentation, a spreadsheet, a forum, or a drawing. And right here next to Create is a button that says Upload. So if I wanted to upload, I would click on that and it would have two options, a file or an entire folder. So either one, if I wanted to click on File, it would give me a drop down and I could click on whatever file I wanted to go ahead and put in there. So I'm actually going to open up a document. So this is a Word document. So when I open this up, I can basically read it. I can come up here, I can print it, I can share it with someone, I can download it to my computer, or there's another couple ways that you can open it. You can also rename the document when you're looking at it. So another cool thing that you can do with Google Drive and Google Docs is that you can actually, if I wanted to click on this, there's a couple different options that I could do with this. I can click this More menu, and I can either open it with something else, I can share it with somebody, which means that I can send the file straight to somebody else over the Google Drive or Google and using a Google email. If I had any folders, I could actually move it into a folder, or I can rename it. So there's a couple different cool things that you can do with a Google Hangout. So it's actually pretty easy, pretty self-explanatory. And actually, if I go right here and create a document, while I'm in the document, I can just type some things, however I want it to say. And I can either put comments on it, I can share it. There's a couple different things that you can do. It looks just like Microsoft Word. And when you're done, if you come back over here, this little button says Docs Home. So if I click on that, it'll automatically take me back to the Google Docs homepage. And now this untitled thing is right here, which is what I was just typing in a second ago. So that's basically it for this video. I hope it was helpful, and please let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.